So people were asking me if I was going to be at the conference this year. Yeah, well, the first live conference of the year here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin at the Hyatt Regency is, of course, Midwest DJs Live. And it's going to be going very, very soon. Quite a year, hasn't it? A lot of people that say that we haven't gone or not going because it's been a hard year. There's been a lot of big changes and a lot of people having a difficult time with events and a lot of difficult times trying to make money. And the DJ business is not any different than the hotel business. Yet if you notice, the hotel business hasn't stopped. In fact, the hotel business, which is losing money too, they're evolving. They're spending time with changes, okay? Investing in what they look like and what they sound like, their brands. There's a lot of rebuilding going on even here in Milwaukee at the Hyatt Regency. There's rebuilding. During a time when money's not coming in, rebuilding is happening. And what I'm telling you now is that's why you go to conferences. That's why you should be going to conferences now, even if it's online. And you can go to the online one now here in Milwaukee. Just go to MidwestDJsLive.com. You can still get a ticket. You can still be a part of this. You can do it online. It's going to be streaming. It is happening live in Milwaukee. That's going to be going on today and tomorrow. If you're looking at this video later, then you've missed it, right? But this Monday morning, it's happening. And it is important that the number one thing I think you should be getting out of this is the fact that when it's the most frightening, when it's the scariest, when you're not sure when it's going to come from, if you're not getting out of the business, you should be using the time to rebuild. Just like the Hyatt here. Millions of dollars lost. And they're rebuilding, redesigning, rebranding in a place that hasn't been rebranded in a long time. If you take a look here, right? It's a cool place. Back in the 80s. They could have been making changes and they could have been evolving back when it was important to do it, when the money was there. But instead, they found the time and the money to invest in this important thing, which is rebuild when you have time. Find the money, do the rebuild, and to work on your rebuild now in the DJ business at a conference, which is small of an investment as it is, you should be. And this is not going to be the only conference that's going to happen this year. There's going to be a couple other live ones, and there's going to be some online ones. And you should find the time and the money to be a part of it. Because if you're not, well, you're going to miss out on something. And that's not a good thing. You don't want to miss out. You don't want to find out later when you are busy that you should have rebranded, that you should have been the guy out there building instead of just sitting around wondering why I didn't rebuild. This is a wonderful opportunity, not the only opportunity. So I'm telling you, miss this one, go with another one, okay? Find a way to work on your rebuild. Do it now while you have the time. Come to this conference, go to MidwestDJsLive.com and sign up for the online stream that's gonna happen in the next couple of days. Get involved with some other conferences if you have to. Take a class, the entertainment experience. I'm gonna have one coming up in May. I'd love for you to be a part of it. There's a rebuilding opportunity. Let's see, if you haven't upgraded on your speakers, Electro-Voice, one of my sponsors. If you don't have a music service, promo only. Get in and do promo only and be sure that you are up on the newest music. You haven't played for a while. Promo only will be sure you have the latest and the newest and everything you're gonna need, okay? Or DJ Event Planner. There's a rebuilding tool to help make sure that you are ready to take on the business when it begins to come back. So, or DJ News, DJN TV. Great organization, and you can get a lot of them for no investment except for time. So what have you done to rebuild? I hope I see you here at the Hyatt Regency here in Milwaukee for Midwest DJs Live. It's all going to be, can you see that? Yeah, it's going to be a great show. I hope you're here. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week, or I'll see you in the showroom floor. Bye.